Hello, my name is Caroline. This video is about integrating the Amazon Echo for real estate agents, specifically hosting open houses. Now, before we get started, I do want to remind you, please do put your devices on mute, as I will be saying the wake word often in this video. Now let's get started. Now, why am I making this video? I'm making this video because I get contacted by real estate agents on a pretty regular basis asking how they can integrate Amazon Echo, Alexa, into their real estate business. And one of these real estate agents sent me an article featuring Tyler Russell and how he integrated Alexa into his open houses to make it a better experience for his clients. I will link to that article below because it's a great article and it's a great application for Alexa, Amazon Echo in an open house situation for realtors. Now, in the article, there's a great photo and it says, Alexa, tell me about the kitchen. And then, she goes into a spiel about the kitchen. So it makes the open house a little more interactive. And it's probably a question you would have asked a real estate agent if they were standing right there. Instead of having a real estate agent walk through the entire house with you, reading a bunch of stuff that was written by another real estate agent about each room, wouldn't it be great to set up a Amazon Echo in every room and have it tell you about that room? Now, there is some customer education there. In this photo, he puts up a sign that says, this is the phrase that you need to say in order for this to work. That way, your prospective buyer knows that that is the phrase so that they will trigger the event to tell them about the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to do that right now on my phone. Now, I'm going to open the Amazon Alexa app here on my phone. And I'm going to assume that you have this app set up with your Echo device. Now, if you're doing several open houses and you've got a bunch of these, I would recommend creating a different Amazon account for each open house. But that's certainly not a requirement. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So I've got my Amazon Alexa app open right now. What we're going to do is we're going to create a routine, and that is how we tell people about the kitchen. So from the app, I'm going to hit the menu button in the top left corner, and I'm going to select routines. And here are the routines I've already set up for myself. Let's talk about the kitchen. I'm going to create a new routine. You do that by pressing the plus button in the top right corner. And then you want to select when this happens. So there's a trigger. The trigger is, and you're going to hit the plus button, your voice. So I'm going to select voice. But there are other things that you could select here: schedule, sunrise, sunset, location, but that would be based on your device. So for the purposes of an open house, I would select voice. And then here's where you enter the phrase. I'm going to say, tell me about the kitchen. And then I'm going to hit next. And then we tell Alexa what to do when they hear the phrase, tell me about the kitchen. I'm going to hit the plus button. And then I'm going to have her say back a custom greeting. So custom, what do we want to say about this kitchen? Then I'm going to type in what I want, and I'm going to say, this kitchen features awesome appliances and unlimited buffets. That's probably not very realistic, but for the purposes of this video, that's what I'm going to put, because I can put what I want. Hit next, and then it recaps. It will say, this kitchen features awesome appliances and unlimited buffets. I'm going to hit next. And I've created the routine. Now I do need to select the device that it's going to work on. And I'm going to select bathroom. That's where this device usually is. I'm going to hit save in the top right corner. And then it gives me a little message that might take a few minutes for it to work. All right, so now I see it. Tell me about the kitchen. Okay, excellent. So that's all we need to do. I'm going to turn off the screen. I am going to unmute my device and say, Echo, tell me about the kitchen.
This kitchen features awesome appliances and unlimited buffets.
And that's it. That's all you have to do. So step one, make a sign that tells your customer what you want them to say. Step two, use your Amazon app and the routines to type in what you want, and then test it out on your Echo. And it's that easy to create an interactive open house with Amazon Echo. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.